Does now.
Okay.
Full back, full back, full back. Come here, full back.
Yeah.
Full back. You still have the marble. You're supposed to give the marble. Why do you still have the marble?
Yes,
We're not
team.
gonna win by standing here. Let's go.
Yeah, guys.
We were planning. It's a Lego.
Guys, full back. Full back. Go, go, go. Go. Gabriel, where are you going? Gabriel. I'm tying my shoelace. Guys,
Cover.
I'm tying my shoelace.
Go for it! He's dead.
He's dead.
Target eliminated.
Damn, I'm down. Gabriel, come on, guys.
I'm not going in. Sadly.
I'll go in.
Do not. Please destroy this.
Oh, look at it.
Much.
Good.
We'll keep on going.
Double kill.
What are you doing?
What are you doing now?
That's an ambush. No, it's not cheating. It's an ambush.
Let's go for it.
Someone just died.
It's Noah.
Kill him! And what he wants to do. Get demolished. I am covering you. Yeah, I'm coming. Coming. Friend. I'm here. Let me cover you. Yeah. Dream.
Can you cover him? I'm going in.
Okay.
Wait.
Huh?
You gave me a heart attack. Guys, come, Gabe. Gabriel, why are you falling out without me, huh?
That's my base.
He's shooting you. Get him.
Oh my God. The guy with laser tag is attacking.
Yeah, I know.
He killed me. Yeah. Yeah, let's both.
Let's jump him.
Hello? Oh, okay, you got it. Oh, no, there. Yes.
Oh, somebody tried to shoot me. It wasn't working. Guys, I need help. Wait, what? You guys are all here. And I'm all on there. Oh, yeah. I didn't shoot it, so I came over. I'm popping off. Should I do a trick shot?
Yes.
I'm gonna do a 360 no scope. Go! Watch out! Liam's cheating.
I don't know if I'm dead or what.
You're
No,
not.
I'm not.
Liam got a win streak. I killed Liam. Nice. I got Liam.
What's more important is the guy up there.
Kaden, come here.
It's the laser tag person.
Kaden, yeah, he has good aim. Kaden, come. Let's move in. Go. Kaden, come in. I killed Noah.
Game over. Ceasefire.
Game over, it's fine. Okay.
I got Noah and Liam.
Who won?
Salmon!
Oh no!
Yes!
But there was somebody who was talking to me. I wonder who that was. Now you're in trouble. Now you're in trouble.
I made one shot
Okay,
on
is
you.
everyone here?
Yes.
4, 6, 8. There we go. Okay. We're gonna play one round now.
There's 9 of us.
No teaming. Everyone for himself. So it's a 1v1.
Last man standing.
Say again?
Last man standing.
No, not yet. Okay. Please
It's
hold your guns
basically
like that. Hold your guns like that. Hold it still